Knock, knock. Who's there? Ach. Ach who? Bless you. That's a great one. I gotta tell Gare. Fantastic.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Gare, you busy?
No, I'm just sitting here.
You gotta hear this joke.
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ach.
Achu?
Bless you.
That's a good one. I'll have to tell John that one.
No, you can't. No, he told me that joke.
What? That's not possible. That is not possible.
Wait, why?
John's been dead for over 15 years.
Jokes from the grave. Oh my goodness! I think I might be the ghost whisperer.
Wait, is this Jennifer Love Hewitt? Jennifer.
Hey Gare, you busy? Hey Gare, you busy? Hey Gare, you busy? Hey Gare, you busy? Oh my goodness, I think I might be the ghost. Wait. Hold on.
I'll have to tell John.